Got this, I'll just move this so you can see it a bit better. The Harrier CBX, this is the customer from Cambridge's one with the factory original mic. I'm going to test it when we come through to our base station. I'm going to test it on both the factory original mic, which we'll start with, and then my standard replacement mic, just so if there's see if there's a difference on that. Mr. Chippie's going to do a low power test again, and what I've done is to give him the camcorder that I normally use in here, which is one of the more compact Sony models, and what I'm using today is one of the rather large models that I use in the chapel on the organ job. So there we go, that's what we're doing today. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, we're recording.
Roger that.
So I'll plug the extension speaker in. And
right, come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
So we're on the medium tone setting right now. I'll go through those when he gets to Ancaster Crossroads. We're a little bit early today, I think it's 7:20, but that petrol station at Ancaster will still be shut.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station, which is closed.
I guessed it was, I know we're a bit earlier today. When you call through after next one, I'll just ask you to say a few words so we can get the tone control demonstrated.
Roger. Right, we're now square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, in that case, you can say a few words and I'll demonstrate the tone control.
Right, roger that. Well, we're
Low.
Square-wheeled at Ancaster
High.
Crossroads, waiting for the lights to change.
Medium.
And they're changing, and we're off.
I prefer it in high position. Okay, off we go. That's great, thank you.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
I'll unplug the extension speaker so we go back to the internal one.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a 1981 Harrier CBX. It's doing a full 4 watts and it's a set which uses the Cybernet 134 chassis. I'm also on the factory original mic.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, and don't forget we're doing a low power test when you get to the 5 mile point.
Yep, no problem. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Shelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
So that's the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Right, Roger on that, and I'll wait for you to tell me that you're in your parked up position.
Roger that. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie, now position at the 5 mile point.
Roger, are you ready to record at your end?
Yeah, I'm now recording. Can't see the picture very well. I don't know if it's focused on it or not.
Oh, we'll soon see when I start to edit it. So here we go. Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBX belonging to the customer from Norwich at the 5 mile point. We're going to go on to low power on my count. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now testing on low power. The radio is now drawing 500 milliamps, and we go back to high power, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on high power, the radio is drawing 1.3 amps. Over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now in position at the 5 mile point.
Roger, are you ready to record at your end?
Yeah, I'm now recording. Can't see the picture very well. I don't know if it's focused on it or not.
Oh, we'll soon see when we start to edit it. So here we go. Tango 21 testing the Harrier CBX belonging to the customer from Norwich at the 5 mile point. We're going to go on to low power on my count. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Low power. Radio's now showing 500 milliamps. Go back to high power, 5, 4, 1. Now we're on high power. The radio is drawing 1.3 amps. Over.
Yeah, roger that. It seemed worse today, but it seems like there's some interference on when you're on full power. There's some noise anyway, so doesn't surprise me.
Well, it's going to be different every day.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, you can continue now, thank you. Yeah, roger that. It seemed worse today, but it seems like there's some interference on when you're on full power. There's some noise anyway, so doesn't surprise me.
Well, it's going to be different every day.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, you can continue now, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Is that petrol station still there?
Yeah, roger it is. Petrol prices still the same today as they were yesterday.
Okay, Roger on that. What concludes the test, thank you.
Roger, 10-10.
10-10. Right, that worked great. I've been interested to edit that because so we're using the camcorder instead of his mobile phone footage, and hopefully it'll be less of a faff to, it should hopefully be the same format. So this can go back to the customer, and we'll go through to our Midland base station. I'm going to start off with the Harrier factory original mic, and then we'll go through to my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Harrier CBX using the factory original microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'll swap mics. Tango 21 testing with the standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over. Thanks for watching.